everybody. We are off on a jolly. We're off on a jolly. We were given a present. Sorry, I'm bouncing up and down because I've got this in my hand. We were given a present, a birthday present from my daughter and her family for a Virgin Experience holiday, and it was an experience to go to Lumley Castle for afternoon tea. So we've got our glad rags on. We are going to talk rather posh because you do as one does when one's in a castle. Oh no, I should say this, as one does when one's in a castle, because you've got to say castle. And we're going to Lumley Castle. It's actually a hotel now, but years ago I remember going there. The last time I was there I was 18. We are on a bumpy road, sorry folks.
They've just built it.
No, they haven't. They're going to go over a big bump in a minute, so I better just wait until we get past this bump because it's going to fly. My phone's going to fly up and down in any second now. I usually like to go fast over this bump when I've got the grandkids in the car because they go, oh, my stomach's been left behind. Woo! Anyway, last time I was there was when I was 18 or 19, and I went to Lumley Castle with my mother and my father and my sister, and we went. It was they were called medieval nights then, and we went for a medieval night to Lumley Castle, and they served the meat it was all served on a wooden platter like you would do in medieval times, and they served the meat, and you had a sharp carving knife, I remember, and I can't remember what else there was, but I do remember the drink was mead. Now my mother doesn't drink alcohol, or she didn't drink alcohol, and they asked her if she wanted some mead, and she said, what is it? And we just said, oh, it's a bit like, I can't remember what we said it was like, but we said it's like a fruit drink, Mum. So she had this mead, and she went, oh, that's rather nice. And the wenches, who were the waitresses, they were all dressed as wenches, they would go around with a jug, filling up your glasses, and every time you cut, well, it wasn't a glass, it was a pottery mug, and as soon as you drank out of it, they topped it up. Well, my mother had about 4 toppings up, and when she eventually left, she was staggering like that from side to side, and we said, Mother, you're drunk. And she said, yeah, not, it was that orange juice. She never had alcohol again after that. I think she had a hangover the next day.
Do you think if they still did it, they would be able to refer to the young lady waitresses as wenches?
Wenches, they might. Oh, I don't know if they'd be allowed to then, but it was a wench. You were a wench then.
Because in the modern world you can't use
no,
those
that wouldn't be a very nice term, yes. But anyway, it was a lovely time that we had there, and I've got a photograph somewhere. If I can pull it out, I'll put it up to let you see. That's all you got? You got photographs, that was all. Anyway, we are off to Lumley Castle for afternoon tea, to Lumley Castle for afternoon tea.
I've been practicing sticking my finger out all
morning.
morning.
One has to drink with one's cup of tea. One has to put one's little finger out as well.